Hello friends, myself Kesri and welcome to my YouTube channel I for Java. Today we are going to discuss what are the different types of SQL commands. SQL commands categorized on the basis of functionalities performed by them. There are 5 types of SQL commands which can be classified as DDL, DML, DQL, DCL and TCL. We will understand each one step by step. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DDL is used to make or perform changes on the physical structure of any table residing inside a database. When these commands executed are auto-commit in a nature and all the changes in the table are reflected and saved immediately. DDL's commands perform these operations like creating a table, alter a table, rename a table, drop a table, and truncate a table. You can see I have given us some examples also that how these operations perform. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. Once the table are created and database is generated using DDL commands for manipulation inside those tables and database is done by using DML commands. The benefit of using DML commands is if in the case any wrong changes or values are made, they can be changed and roll back easily using DML commands. By using DML commands, we can perform insert operation, delete operation, update, and log, and merge also. So here I have given an example how you can insert command use in SQL. By using delete command, we can delete the table. To make it update, we use update command. To log and access to read or write, we use log command. To merge two rows data in a one table, we use merge command. Now let's understand what is DCL. DCL stands for Data Control Language, where DCL commands manages the issues related to the data control in database. DCL commands mainly provides special access to users and it is also used to specify the roles of users accordingly, like granting a user and revoke a user. We can grant any user to access that particular table and we can also revoke that user so he can't access that table. Now let's understand what is DQL. DQL stands for Data Query Language. Data Query Language consists of only one command over which data selection in SQL relies. Select command in a combination with other SQL clauses is used to retrieve and fetch data from the database on the basis of certain conditions applied by user, like select star from employee details. So what this select command will do, it will retrieve all the record what are the available in employee table. By specifying star, we can access all records. Now let's understand what is TCL. TCL stands for Transactional Control Language. Transactional Control Language, as the name suggests, manages the issue and matters related to the transactions in any database. They are used to roll back or commit the changes in the database. Roll back means undo the changes and commit means applying the changes. There are three major TCL commands. First, let's understand. Suppose if you are doing any operation and you had done any mistake and you want to revert back, then you can use rollback command. In this case, you can jump to your previous operation and the current operation can be declined. And also we can commit if we want to not allow anyone to make a change. In that case, we can use commit. So here you can see we can use in TCL rollback commands, commit and save point. What save point will do, if any point we will use save point, whenever we will use rollback command, it will revert us to this save point. With this friend, we have done the types of SQL. In next video, we will understand constraints. Thank you and please like and subscribe my channel and share